Okay, so here we have an intermediate hinge that takes the roller. You can see here that this is a cam, so it's off center. Here is the Allen key and the lock. And how this works is, you put the Allen key in here, push it down, and it rotates the cam. Now, why is that good and why do we need it? Well, if you look here, when we first put that intermediate hinge onto the panel, you can see it's sitting off the seal of the frame. And we need that to just be touching. If we started loading the next panels now on top of this one and then the next one, that gap gets bigger as you go up. And eventually you'll have a panel just shooting down the front, and that's really not what we want to be happening. So to close it up, all we do is put our Allen key in, just push down and you'll see the gap close. And all we want to do is just have it touching. We don't want to ram it in, just gently touching. Now, if it's too tight, what you'll see is when we do start lifting the door, is it will literally take shavings off the inside of the seal. If that happens, just back it off ever so slightly, and that's it. Yeah, none of this tightening and loosening 11mm nuts and bolts and cold frosty days. How easy is that? Nice and neat as well. What a great system.